Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy protein bar. You need 2 cups peanuts, 1 cup cashew, 1 cup milk, 1 cup brown sugar or jaggery. Take 1 cup roasted cashew nuts, 2 cups peanuts, roast the peanuts in a thick bottom pan, till they are nicely roasted. Make sure they don't burn. Grind the mixture of cashew and peanuts coarsely. Grind to a coarse powder. Melt the sugar or jaggery with a little bit of milk, 2 spoons of milk, in the same pan till the sugar's dissolved. This is what it looks like a golden syrup. Mix in the ground nut powder and mix well. Pour 1 cup milk and stir everything together to a homogeneous mixture. Keep stirring on medium heat for 20 to 25 minutes. It'll look like this. Gather all the mixture together. After about 25 minutes, pour it into a greased tray. Spread the mixture evenly with a spatula. When it's a bit cool, cut it into desired shapes, or you can cut it immediately. Let it cool completely, and then you can enjoy your protein bar. You can store the pieces in a clean, airtight jar. Enjoy!